They came without warning, a relentless wave of terror that shattered everything in its path. In an instant, life changed forever. Homes once filled with laughter became battlefields. Streets that bustled with life were turned into scenes of horror. Innocent civilians, families, children, became targets of a brutal attack that shook the very soul of Israel. Within hours, the unimaginable had unfolded. Approximately 1,200 lives stolen in cold blood, each one a story, a dream, a future, taken too soon. And as the dust settled, the realization of an even deeper horror hit. 251 innocent souls, kidnapped, torn from their homes, their families, and dragged into Gaza. Mothers, fathers, children.
On the morning of 7th of October, I woke up from alarms on my phone. My phone started to get crazy, and two terrorists grabbed me strongly by the hand, and they took me through the fence that I was, they were near my house, about 200 meters from my house, where they cut in the fence and got into Gaza. And now I show you how they kidnapped me. It's my pajama, barefoot, and you can see how they kidnapped my husband. When I came back, I went into the kibbutz. I left my husband there. I mean, he's there. I feel guilty for it that he's not there. We're doing everything to get him back here. I'm here for him. I want him back for my daughters, for me. He's in the center of our house, and I miss him very much. And I really want him here, but it takes time. He will be here. I have a lot of faith that he will come back alive, and I will see him again. Amen. Yes, you can see my house now. It's a new house. Was a new house. We just built it, and now it's not exist anymore.
אני צריכה לרצוח. רצחו את אבא שלי. כי ראיתי תמונה בטלגרם מחדשות עזתים של תמונה שלו בעזה. לקחו אותו בלי בגדים, הוא איזו חולה. כן, זה אבא שלי. We didn't have any food there. I mean, I only ate pita with cheese when they decide to give me. No water, no good water to drink, half liter a day to drink.
I want to stand up because this is the picture of my dad. And beside of this, that is a really handsome man, is my dad. And he's 55 years old. I will tell him about you because my dad in the whole world now is just a poster. Everywhere there is a poster of my dad, there is pictures of my dad, there is his name on your prayers, I guess, and I want you to know that he is a human, that he is a person, that he is my personal dad. I want to tell you that I've been in Baltimore for 2 days now, and it's so quiet here. There is grass, there is birds, there is a lot of animals, there is people who are kind for each other. And it's so nice to see it from a side. And I just want to tell you that my kibbutz was like this. He was my heaven. He was my quiet place. Like my mom said, we were going out for a walks to see the sunset, and everything was just so quiet. We were so friendly to each other. We eat at the dining room together. Everything is just community. And one morning, we woke up and our world fell apart. Mom without dad is not mom, and they need to be together again. And now I will ask. So you saw the video that I saw mom and we were hugging. So I'm just asking you to see my dad's face and remember it. And 5 minutes before you go to sleep, just close your eyes and imagine my hug with dad. I believe it will summon him. I believe it will send him power. I believe it will make it happen, and I believe it will connect you more, because you're far away, but you are so close to us in our hearts.
I'm going to hand out these cards. These are the pictures of 5 orphans that lost a father on October 7th. Aviad and his twin brother Aviatar lost their father, Natan Al Yaakov, age 36, commander, battalion 630, in a battle in the Gaza envelope, leaving behind Sarit, 5 children. Nohar Biton, age 7, first grade and loves art. Her father, Yakir, age 34, a member of battalion 8717, fell in battle in North Gaza. He leaves behind his wife, Tali, and 3 children. Maya Bli, Maya, 6 years old, in 3rd grade and is from Haifa. Her father, Chaim, age 36, fell in battle on October 7. He leaves behind his wife, Ortal, and 3 children. Lastly, Hila Chaimov, Hila, age 4, from Ofakim, enjoys games. Her father, Aharon, a Magen David Adom paramedic, was murdered by Hamas terrorists on October 7th when he attended the kibbutzim in the Gaza envelope to help save Jewish lives.